No go up here. Just too windy. With the wind dropping in the forest. Yep. The midges are out. Can't write it, eh? Back on the move. The midges were at us, so I'm not spending the night getting attacked off midges, so I'll try another location on the way back down. If that's no joy, it's back to the car. Good afternoon, and again we are back out and out for a camp. It's a bit blowy, which is good and bad. Good that it'll keep the midges away, but bad that I'm only using a tarp and a bivvy tonight, so I'll have to choose my place carefully. I was hoping to go up onto a summit, but it is quite blowy, so we'll just have to see how it fares. You know me, just wing it. But I have got options. If the summit's too bad, I can drop down to forest level, which is just below the crags where I'm going. I'm up in the Bewcastle Fells. I haven't been for a while. I haven't been to this location since last summer, so 12 months. And we might have some fallen trees to encounter, because we had that storm Floris with really high winds last weekend, well, Monday gone. So yeah, we'll see what that's like. But for now, all is good. Sun is trying its best, but it's dry. Alright, a bit off piste now, so I want to pick up the stream which I have to cross. I need to get across those banks up there and then head that way. Unfortunately, I'm going to drop right down to go back up again. And I need to be where them trees are on top of that hill, up past there. Alright, normally I try and get somewhere here, but the bank's all washed away. It's quite high up here, so I have to try and find another way. I can do a hop, skip and jump over there. It's just getting there first. Ah dear. Yeah. Made it across. Been a lot of erosion on the bank here. Just shows how fast and extreme the water levels get. To a road right up here. Woo! Managed it with dryish feet anyhow. Yeah, so it's the water, the stream has changed where it runs. It obviously cuts this bit out now and just goes right round. It used to come round this way and then down and erode that bank there. But it seems to have dried out. There's a little bit of water running in, very little. Probably just rainfall. Yeah. Monster bracken. I need to clear this first. It's horrible. Oh Christ. Right, we've cleared this, thank goodness. So this is not too bad now. And I'll pick up a track just a bit further up here. And after that it should be easy going. That was the toughest bit. Whoa, oh that's nice, a bit of breeze. Yeah, the problem is since the last time I was up this way, I know I said I was 12 months, but I haven't used this particular route to get up here a couple of years, and the trees have fairly, you know, they were only very small when the last time I walked down here. All around, so this is another section that's grown up for cutting in X amount of years. But yeah, I've camped on that one a few times. But yeah, those clouds are whipping by, so all is good. So yeah, I'll pick up the track and then I zigzag my way up, basically all the way, more or less all the way to where I'm going tonight. We're back on solid ground now, on the forest tracks, and oh yeah, there's a nice breeze blowing. There was no wind down below, so oh yeah, it'll cool us down a bit. Alright, so that is the official path. I've come from right over there, but it gets lost in translation, and it's a nightmare. I have done it in the past, but yeah, single application for double the growth, tree boost fertilizer. Interesting. But yeah, here is the path. It's getting more and more difficult to try and keep to it. But yeah, there's a little main marker there. Problem is, it's just not well trodden up here. Unlike the footfall you'd get in the lakes, you get very little up here. So yeah, it takes you, supposed to be able to go that way, but yeah, you don't. Oh yeah. Yeah, wind's picking up now, but whoa, the view's opening up a bit. Alright, onwards, probably about 20 odd minutes, 30 at the max. Yeah, this is easy walking now in this forest section. This will take me right to the top. It's a nondescript walk really, brutal with the lack of proper paths and such. But I like the crags on the top. It's very seldom visited by people, so you usually have it to yourself. But me saying that tonight, I'll get up there, there'll be somebody there. It's my own fault. Shouldn't tell people where I'm going to camp. Nearly at the end of the forest, so the crags are just through there. If it is too windy, it'll be somewhere around here, just on the edge of the forest. But hopefully not. Get up on the top round the back, because I think that's what I'll need to do tonight. As soon as I get out here, I'll be faced with a wind blowing right up here. Oh yeah, it's beautiful as well. Yes. So yeah, here we are, home for tonight. Christianbury Crags. It's been a while. We're on the top and the wind, oh yes, it is definitely up here. So I'm hoping this little spot that I've used before will work its magic tonight and give us a little bit of shelter. Somewhere. Oh, what the hell? Bloody fire pit up here. There's nothing to burn. That's ridiculous, isn't it? Oh dear. That's not good. Not good. Right, there's a bit of a wind blowing. I was hoping maybe to put it somewhere here. I'll put the tarp up and we'll see what it's like. Yeah, it's going to be an absolute no-go up here. Just too windy. Just whipping over the top, so looks like it's going to be the forest. Unless I can get further over the back there, sheltered bit. I'll have a scan, but yeah, definitely a no-go here. It is too windy. Is it like on this summit here? Yeah, it's definitely a broad day, as they say. Ooh. So yeah, head back to the tree line if you can even hear us. But I will have a look just on this edge here. Alright, I've cleared all sort of big sticks over there, put them in a bit of a pile. But the slight dilemma we have now is with the wind dropping in the forest, yep, the midges are out. Can't write it, eh? So I'm just sort of standing still for 5-10 minutes to see what the situation is going to be like. What I might do is, where I joined the forest from the footpath, there's a bit down there that's a bit more open, a little bit windy, but nothing like what it was up there. But yeah, I can feel myself nibbling, so I know it's going to happen. I'll set up camp and the bloody midges will come. I'm in a bivvy. I'm not in a tent tonight, but you know, I could, if I had a tent with us, I could have put that up easily, no problem here. So it's a possibility for the future, winter maybe, but maybe not today. The midges were at us, so I'm not spending the night getting attacked off midges, so I'll try another location on the way back down. If that's no joy, it's a back to the car. Even if I camp anywhere in the forest, it's the midge, isn't it? You know, if I'm out of the wind. Oh, pardon me, but yeah. Bloody midges. I've had enough of them on the last few sort of camps. Sort of dodged them. But yeah, they'd have us on this one. And I can't be bothered with it, so. So I'll up my pace a bit and hopefully I can find something. Right, all might not be lost. I found this little spot here. I'm right on the edge here and the wind is blowing up here, but it's just not as bad as it was on the summit. And there doesn't appear to be any midges as long as the wind stays, but it's just have to risk off the tech maybe, eh? But yeah, this might be the place. Okay, yes, we have managed to get set up. So I've left a bit of air underneath so it blows any midges away. It's just a nice enough breeze here, but not too strong, so I'm quite happy with this. So yeah, I've just gone for a sort of configuration, but it's doing the job. The wind's coming sort of on the back, but if it does rain, which is forecast I think first thing in the morning to put a little shower down, we should be alright. I'm in the Robens, which is not 100%, well, it's not waterproof, it's just sort of a cover. So hence the tarp. So I'll get me mat and me bag in and get some tea on because I am starving. Yep. Some noodles and I've got some chicken to go in with it. Yeah, I really did think at one stage I was heading back to the car, but thankfully we found this little spot. Yeah, the winds keep gusting and then it has a bit of a lull, but then, you know, it's not bad. So 100% better than it was up there. I couldn't even lift the tarp to try and put it up. It was, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I'd have been sheltered around the back, but I should know better. The wind just whips over the top and yeah, definitely a no-go place. Got a creme catalan. I haven't got any beers tonight, got a little drop of red wine with us tonight, so something slightly different, but yeah, that noodles, even as bland as it was very welcome. But as per usual, the skies have just gone milky, so yeah, it's just the norm for me lately, so, you know. But yeah, nicely set up under the tree. Hopefully it doesn't absolutely chuck it down, but we have got a little bit of cover, so we should be alright here. And the wind isn't too bad. Obviously you look behind and there has been some sort of devastation in the past. Top of the hill here and everything just goes boomf. That's me all fed and watered. I'm just finishing the last of my wine off. But yeah, sunset just didn't happen. As usual, it just greyed out. So I'm going to finish this because it has got quite cool. It's not wind when you stop. So the warmest place I'll be getting is in there, crashing down. I mean, yeah, it's 9:15. I'll potter about for half an hour till about 10 o'clock and then I'm going to hit the sack. I just hope I get up and it's not absolutely chucking it down in the morning. It says rain 8 o'clock, but you know what that means, don't you? They'll be here before then. I have got a little bit of cover, but I've got my waterproof, so I'm expecting a wet walkout. So it is what it is, isn't it? Bloody typical, it's cleared out now. Right at the end of the night. Yeah, just round about there. I don't know if this camera's picked it out, but you can see my hometown Carlisle glinting in the light. You can see the masts on Colbeck. There's two of them. Skies have cleared over that side and the full moon looks beautiful. So what does that mean? All the loonies and werewolves are about or active. Okay, that's us bedding down for the night. Yeah, I've been taking a few night shots and stuff like that. The wind has kept, it had a big lull before and it's picked up again, but it's not like it was up there, thankfully. It's just a gentle flowing of through, so hopefully it'll keep the condensation levels down, but we'll see in the morning. So yeah, catch you all in the morning. Morning campers. Well, the wind has sort of blown all night, but I've managed to get some sleep. Not too bad really, but one good thing, everything's dry, so makes life easy packing away. But I'm gonna get up, get sorted, get packed down before the rain does come, which is supposed to, it's about 5:20, so it says 8 o'clock. We'll see. But, I'll get sorted, get some breakfast, get back down. I've got most things packed away in case it does rain. I'm just going to have a brew, put the kettle on, stove on even. Just got the sheet to fold up. But most things were dry, but I will air them when I get back, make sure. Yes, I've just had the drone up. A bit risky in this wind like, but it was alright. And yeah, there was a nice sunrise above us, above the crags anyhow. So hopefully I've got some kind of footage. Finish this lot off, get the last things packed, head back down. Hopefully we can get back for it does rain, if it rains. So where I was, left no trace. Got all my stuff, I've picked everything up, just have a double check. Yep, all looks good, just need to collect my poles and then head down in that direction. They're pretty new. CCTV in operation. We'll see. Yeah, it's gone. Awfully dark. Probably a good half an hour still, 45 from the car. So I might get wet. Yeah, just over there. Seen that before, mooching about before. So they must have been in early. I spotted it up there. Oh God, they've got out. Right, took a detour. See if it's any easy going through the woods. Forest. Drop down to the stream this way. Christ. Oh look. The moss on the trees. I've got little bits of fungi starting to appear. Yeah, good luck on that. That is the so-called path, overgrown to hell, you'll never find it. That's all, and now I've got to somehow wend my way back up to the car through this bit. This is probably one of the worst bits. Oh hell, them keys. They've been there, it's got to be 20 years. Yep, easily. I can remember seeing them on this post when the path was, well, you could access it. This is supposed to be the path, but yeah, God, they have been there a long time. I'm gonna close it out here. I can feel rain in the wind very, very slightly, so they weren't far wrong. So I've probably got another 10 minutes to the car, so yeah, not much of a camp really. Went up onto the summit, far too windy, but luckily we found somewhere to pitch up for the night. You know, so small consolation. But yeah, no sunrises, sunsets, nothing glamorous like that. Just a bog standard camp. So thanks for watching, we'll see you out on the next one.